Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: accounts, tax settings, and matching business names, because mismatched details block listings. Once confirmed, install the Amazon sales channel or a third-party connector and grant API permissions. This lets Shopify create listings on Amazon. Next, standardize SKUs and ensure each product has valid UPC/EAN, clear titles, and 1,000 pixel images for Amazon quality checks. Make sure pricing and inventory policy are decided now so subsequent syncs follow. Now you map and configure. Match each Shopify product to the correct Amazon category and set condition and price mapping rules, because misclassification reduces discoverability. Once done, configure inventory sync intervals and choose fulfillment: FBA for scale, FBM for control, or a hybrid model. When Amazon suggests an ASIN, review it. You either link to an existing ASIN or create a new listing if unique. Take time to map variants and shipping templates so orders and stock stay accurate across channels. Finish by running a small test sync and inspect live listings for accuracy, titles, prices, inventory, and shipping settings, because fixes are easier in small batches. Once live, monitor Amazon Seller Central for suppressed listings, image or GTIN rejections, and policy alerts. These will stop sales immediately if unresolved. If issues occur, reconcile SKU to ASIN mismatches, correct product identifiers, then reupload only the affected SKUs. Finally, document the change and schedule regular audits so future syncs run smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.